Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pencils are made, specifically the fascinating sandwich process that hides the lead.
Check the moisture levels on this stack here.
Looks good. Go ahead and move it to storage.
How the graphite and clay ratio determines the hardness of the pencil lead.
Here is the magic moment. The lead is placed, and a second slat is pressed on top to form a wood and graphite sandwich.
Every batch is checked for centrality and finish before leaving the facility.
And that's how pencils are made. Ombre, from a block of cedar to the tool in your hand.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.